Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. Are you looking for a staple piece for your wardrobe? Well, this blouse is top notch. This extra large SHEWIN floral top is beautifully designed to flatter your body. It's gorgeous, tucked in with a skirt, and can be casual with pants not tucked in. We love the length. That's long if you want to wear with stretchy jeans. And the flowy arms and sleeves, oh, it is so gorgeous. We do also appreciate the unique neckline, and that puts this top over the edge in its cuteness. Unlike the sleeves, it's lined in the bodice part, so it gives great coverage, so it's not see-through. Yet it's really cool during the hot days. So whether you have a dressy occasion or an everyday wear, you will love to add this blouse to your wardrobe. The colors are magnificent and the style is beautiful. We love it, we highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.